I'm sure तारीख नोट कर ली होगी, अगले महीने की 17 तारीख से हॉटस्टार स्पेशल्स पर स्पेशल ऑप्स एंड शो के बारे में हमने काफ़ी कुछ जान लिया है, शो का ट्रेलर भी देख लिया है और जिन्होंने अब इतनी मेहनत की है, दिल से उन्हें परफॉर्म किया है, उस पूरे कास्ट को मंच पे बुलाते हैं। के जी आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहेंगे। यहाँ तो माइक फिल्म हेलो स्पेशल ऑप्स के बारे में हम जानना चाहेंगे आपसे और खास करके आपके किरदार के बारे में।
किरदार का नाम हिम्मत सिंह है। वो चीफ एनालिस्ट हैं RNW में और उसकी अपनी एक थियोरी है जो 19 साल से जिसका वो निवारण ढूंढ रहा है और 19 साल के बाद 8वें एपिसोड के एंड में उसे मिल जाता है।
Look forward to that suspense. Waiting for the 17th of March. That's the date.
17th of March.
Yes.
हॉटस्टार VIP पे स्पेशल ऑप्स। हमसे कहा गया कि बार-बार इस चीज़ को बोला जाना चाहिए। हम बार-बार बोलेंगे। बुरा मत मानिएगा। अभी ये मूंछों के साथ। अच्छा वहाँ। हाँ वो एक्टिंग का हिस्सा है भाई। उसी के हम कमाते हैं।
बीवी के सामने भी ऐसी लगता है।
हाँ जी जी
बीवी के सामने भी ऐसी लगता है।
यहाँ परमी जी।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
वो अंदर की बात डिस्क्लोज करें यहाँ पर। दिव्या जी गुड टू सी यू अगेन। यू नो हमने आपको देखा बेहतरीन से बेहतरीन कैरेक्टर्स परफॉर्म करते हुए। फिर से एक बार एक इम्पैक्टफुल रोल है। व्हाट्स स्पेशल अबाउट दिस एक्सपीरियंस?
This is one unit, this is one director, and Shivam ji has been the first one. I mean, it's my first time working with him. But with Neeraj ji, I think it's my second. Special 26 was the first one. Special Ops is the second one. I think I'm going to sign a contract with him. Every title should be starting from special, so I can be a part of all that. But sincerely, sometimes, just sometimes, you just leave your thinking hats aside and you just go and feel the magic of the set. And this unit for me, Friday Filmworks and Friday Storytellers, is one of those for me. I just come because I know everything is so well researched, well written, well executed. All I have to do is just feel it the way they want me to feel it. And I think it's the most nail-biting experience, not just as an audience, but while performing as well. So I remember my brother telling me, यार इतनी excitement और anxiety तो 10th के results में नहीं होती जितनी इनकी काम देखकर होती है कि अब next क्या होने वाला है. While shooting it, I felt that because there was so much happening on the set, and all you require to do is, it's so clear, he's so clear what he wants from his actors, that all you do is just go there, do your bit, and then see the others perform, and then just complement each other. It's just an amalgamation of lots of things coming together and making magic out of special ops.
Absolutely. Indeed, he's very clear and you always do an impeccable job to the character given to you.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much. KP जी आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, Mike if you can give it to KP जी please, कि नीरज पांडे जी के साथ काम करने का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा। वेरी नाइस।
पूरे जो ये जो अलग माहौल है, पावर पैक्ड एक्शन है इसमें, तो इस शो में आपको कैसे शूट करते वक्त कैसा रहा?
हमारा तो मतलब ऐसा था कि बस वो जो बजट की बात हो रही थी ना, तो हम बजट के बारे में पूछ रहे थे उससे। बजट मुझे बजट बता। तो के को बहुत परेशान किया, मतलब बजट
वो काफी कम बोलते हैं, तो उन्होंने बताया कुछ?
सॉरी बोलता रहा।
गौतमी कशी आहेस?
बरी आहे मस्त
Good to see you.
Thank you.
How was your experience shooting with Neeraj Pandey?
Wonderful experience. And the day I got the call, I didn't even want to hear the story, the narration, nothing. I said it's Neeraj ji, Shivam ji, and Friday Filmworks, and I knew I had to do this one. So it was a wonderful, wonderful experience. Really enjoyed it.
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much.
This is Friday Film Works. I love you guys. You know, make that. जो सीटियां तो चाहिए यार. Show. थिएटर में जब पिक्चर देखने जाते तो सीटियां बचती हैं. यहाँ पर हॉटस्टार स्पेशल पे हम स्पेशल ऑफ देखेंगे. यही चाहिए लोगों से हमें, right? Vipul would like to ask you. The mic is right now. Karan के पास mic है. Yeah.
जिनका हो गया दे दो भाई.
Beautiful outdoor locations. Scale is humongous, is magnanimous, is what we would say. And how was the experience? You know, generally जब acting करते हैं या कोई shoot करते हैं तो sets में confine होते हैं. यहाँ पर everything is out there. So how was that experience?
Experience of traveling. I'm a travel junkie. मैं बहुत enjoy करता हूँ, and I want to thank the production house, Neeraj bhai, Shidul bhai, for giving this opportunity. सबसे पहले, immense production values. I think we all worked really hard, and especially under his directions. बहुत मज़ा आया. मतलब ऐसी locations देखने को मिली कि मेरे अंदर का जो ट्रैवल जंकी है बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हो गया और एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है कि जल्दी से कुछ और इनके साथ मिले और जगह घूमने को मिले.
Thank you so much and all the best. Rajat, क्या तुम्हारी दिली तमन्ना घूमने की पूरी हो गई? And how was your experience actually shooting at different locations and the scale, the magnitude that this show has to be a part of it?
Well, life में आपने अदनान सामी का गाना तो सुना है, लिफ्ट करा दे. वही हुआ मेरे साथ. It was a complete upliftment for me in my career and मतलब जितना भी छोटा span of work ex I have. And yes, meaning I couldn't have asked for anything better in life. It was like a home run, you could say.
Wishing you all the best and hope it multiplies in more and more projects for you. Thank you so much and
thank you.
Muzammil, acting के साथ इस शो में काफी सारा action भी था. So how was that experience?
It was brilliant. Cyril had done the action, and I used to learn martial arts on the beach some time back, watching Cyril's video on the repeat. And I'm a big fanboy of Cyril, actually. And before that, Neeraj sir. I remember I met Neeraj sir, I don't know if he remembers, long time back when I was stuck. I mean, he remembers. Okay. So he told me that grow up first. I was very little when I met him. He was like, grow up, then we'll work together sometime. So I remember that conversation with him. And I remember it was 12 o'clock when I got the call for the film. And मैंने बोला यार जब काम नहीं मिलता था तब नींद नहीं आती है. मैंने कहा आज काम मिल गया, excited में आज भी नींद नहीं आएगी. So I didn't sleep that night. So I'm very thankful for the opportunity, sir. Shivam sir, thank you so much. I was dying to do something like that, and I think it's right up my alley.
12 बजे थे पर 4 चांद लग गए.
I hope, inshallah. I mean, got to work with Neeraj sir. This is one of the dreams come true for any actor, for any aspiring actor in this country. And I think to get in OTT platforms coming in for actors like me who were trying to prove themselves, I think it's a great opportunity.
Here to
Thank
stay.
you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Karan, television heartthrob.
हाँ जी.
और अब Hotstar पर.
जी.
ये transition कैसा रहा?
पहली बात तो I think Star के साथ मेरा कोई रिश्ता है. I started my career with Star, and ironically, one of my biggest moves, which is for special ops with Neeraj sir, has also happened on Hotstar. So I think I've been blessed like that. The experience was fantastic. You know, it was very easy when I did get through the auditions that I'd done, and the show's on espionage. It is directed by Neeraj sir. He owns this genre, so it was a no-brainer, and I was always looking for a part where I could really showcase the arc of what I wanted to do, and this character really allows me to do that. And credits to Neeraj sir's writing, that there are so many facets to my character Farooq that I really had a very wholesome experience as an actor. So it was a lot of fun.
और स्टार के साथ तुम्हारा यकीनन नाता है because you are yourself a hot star.
You're just being kind. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Honest. So thank you so much and all the best. Sana
Thank you.
Khan, कैसी हैं आप? Good to see you again.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. पहले तो I love your TikTok videos. You're damn cute there. So I have to say, you know, from cute TikTok videos to television to movies, all of that, and now cut to hardcore action show. How was your experience?
My heart is racing right now. I wish I could make you guys hear it. To begin with, it's a pinch me moment for me. I still can't believe I'm standing right here with such talented actors. I don't even know what I'm doing here, to be very, very honest. Thank you, Neeraj sir, to see myself here on this poster.
Indeed, an emotional moment, and why not? Because it's a biggie, and wishing you all the very best, Sana. Happens, we're humans. Absolutely happens. Right, would like Parmeet ji. Namaskar, good to see you. And you've dabbled with Bollywood movies. We've seen you there. And how come the show on Hotstar, and how come Special Ops?
Well, there's only one answer to that. That is Neeraj Pandey. Because as a director, but more as a writer, I really, really, really admire him. I think the kind of writing that he does is very rare to come by. And that's the reason, the moment that got that call, I said, come what may, jo bhi role hoga, main definitely karne wala hu. So yeah, that's...
Thank you, and we look forward to it. Thank you. Yes, Gautami. Mike, there.
So everybody is thanking Neeraj sir and Shivam sir, but मुझे एक कंप्लेंट है सर. मतलब सबसे आपने एक्शन करवाया और सब सारे एजेंट्स यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, लेकिन जो हिम्मत सिंह की वाइफ है उससे आपने कोई एक्शन नहीं करवाया सर. तो मतलब I mean, I was waiting जब फ्राइडे फिल्म वर्क से फोन आया, मैंने बोला अरे कोई एक्शन थ्रिलर एस्पियोनाज, I love it, and then there's no action for the wife. I'm like, okay, all right, I'll wait. So sir, please keep this in mind for season 2. Thank you.
But they've given you the home ministry. Yeah. Sajjad.
Yes.
We've seen you in Tiger Zinda Hai, phenomenal performance, and now an intense character. What do we expect?
You have to see the show, I guess.
Yeah, but just a little sneak peek would be nice for the friends from the media.
I can't much say about it. He's a businessman who get involved in this long manhunt, so he's looking for his benefit in every deal he does. So that's all I can say about the character. It's very clear. So I guess I didn't do anything in this job, to be honest, in this project, because Neeraj ji was there. He was telling me what to do and how to react. I just delivered the line, all the things, and that's all. And this is my second work with Neeraj ji. Of course, first one was with Baby. I have to say that all the time. It was my first project in Bollywood. The best part is for that role, I did, I don't know how many auditions, 6, 7. I don't know if any of those videos reached you. Never, no? So my agent was keep calling me, okay, they need better. He's a big director, never said the name. So I keep making videos, and this, I got bored. So I guess, please tell me if I get selected or no. And I keep making videos. I don't know how many auditions I did for that. And amazing, none of that reached you, yeah. And then for this job, such a big role, I did only one audition. I got the job.
And you've delivered everything brilliantly that we saw in the trailer, and we look forward to the launch on the 17th of March. And all the best.
Thank you.
Meher.
सबसे लास्ट में मैं फंसी हूँ.
क्योंकि ये पहली बार है कि आपको हम एक एक्शन शो में देखने वाले हैं.
हाँ.
तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा टू डू एन एक्शन पैक्ड शो?
बहुत ही डरावना था क्योंकि एक्शन करते हुए बहुत डर लग रहा था. जिस दिन हम शूट भी कर रहे थे, आई थिंक फर्स्ट शॉट में ही मेरे हाथ पे बहुत ज़ोर से लग गई थी और मुझे लगा कि भाई तूने पंगा ले लिया है साइन करके, तेरे से नहीं होने वाला. बट समहाउ नीरज सर वाज देयर एंड उन्होंने शॉट्स बहुत उतनी लिए जितनी ज़रूरत थी, तो मैं एग्जॉस्ट नहीं हुई और समहाउ करवा लिया सर ने. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई डिड इट, बट एक्सपीरियंस वाज सुपर्ब. सर के साथ हमेशा काम करना था बहुत पहले से, तो एक ड्रीम पूरा हो गया. और हाँ, मैं डिफरेंट लाइट में दिखूंगी जैसे मैं पहले कभी नहीं दिखी. एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर. रियली रियली ग्रेटफुल दैट यू cast me in the show. Thank you Shivam sir. Thank you Neeraj sir.
A big shout out to Girl Power, to see a girl in action,
Thank you.
and it's going to be a treat to actually watch such a cute face doing action.
Oh, thank
Yeah?
you.
Totally.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best to the entire cast. Let's have a huge round of applause. And yes, Friday Filmworks, make some noise. Well, once again, we all are looking forward to the 17th of March. You've got to block that date. That's when Special Ops launches on Hotstar Specials. Do not forget. And thank you once again for being a great audience. Thank you for joining us, friends from the media. And thank you to all the makers as well. And thank you to the entire cast and wishing you all the best for Special Ops.
Thank you.